Listen, you wouldn't hire a dog to do your taxes, or a kid to be your financial advisor. So why would you hire anyone other than the professionals to work on your home? At Roofs by Rodger, we are committed to excellence, which is part of the reason we don't require a down payment in most cases. We make sure the work is done to your satisfaction, because protecting your home and, more importantly, those in it is our highest priority. This is our community. This is our family. And this is our commitment. At Roofs by Rodger, we are your home for your home.